Welcome today in front of me TCL 30SE, and I'll show you how to activate or turn off the silent mode on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that scroll down to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll set the silent mode switcher and the silent mode section. Just to activate the silent mode, you should click here once on the switcher, and now you can see here that the ringtones and notifications, they are muted. This means that we have activated the silent mode on our device. And if you want to just turn off the silent mode, you should click here once again on the switcher, and now you can see that the ringtones and notifications, they will ring, and by this way we can just turn on or turn off the silent mode on our TCL device. Also, we got the second way how we can do that. Just first you should press up or down one button, that doesn't matter, click here, and now just we can also swipe to the left side the ringtone volume panel, and the notifications, they will automatically muted, and that means that we just activated the silent mode on our device. And if you want to turn it off, you should swipe again this blue dot, and also by the same way we can activate the silent mode here in the sound settings. And just to turn it off, just swipe again to the right side the volume panel. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.